student, we have completed Boyle's law, Charles law. We are discussing Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. It is also represents PT relationship. Pressure and temperature relationship. Joseph Gay-Lussac gave the relationship between pressure and temperature at constant value. According to Gay-Lussac's law, at constant value, the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. According to Gay-Lussac's law, at constant volume, the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Here, mathematically, it is written as P is directly proportional to temperature. Then P is equals K into temperature. P by T is equals K is equals constant. Here K is proportional constant and K is depends on volume of a gas and mass of a gas. Here, according to Gay-Lussac's law, P is directly proportional to T. Pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature at constant volume and number of moles of a gas. If a fixed amount of gas at constant volume applying initial and final values of pressure and temperature. From Gay-Lussac's law, what is Gay-Lussac's law? P by T is equals K. Here applying initial and final values of pressure and temperature. Then what happens here? P1 T1 is equals to K and P2 by T2 is equals K. Then what happens here? P1 by T1 is equals P2 by T2, or it is also written as P1 by P2 is equals T1 by T2. This is Gay-Lussac's law. If applying the initial and final values from P by T is equals to K, applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides, log P by T is equals log K. Here log P minus log T, that is equals log K. Log P is equals log T plus log K. Now, graphical representation of Gay-Lussac's law. Graphical representation of Gay-Lussac's law. Here graphs plotted between P and T, pressure versus T. What is the relation? Directly proportional. Then P increases, temperature also increases. Next graph in between P by T versus PRT. We know that P by T is equals, what is? P by T is equals constant. Then here P by T versus PRT. Here increases P or increases T or decreases. Then what will happen? P by T is always constant. Next graph. Here P versus 1 by T. P versus 1 by T. This is like this. Y-axis and x-axis. Then what will happen? P increases, T increases, P decreases, T decreases, P increases, 1 by T is decreases. P versus 1 by T relationship inversely, P versus T relationship directly. Next graph between log P versus log T. Graph like this. Like Gay-Lussac's observations, Amonton observed that at constant volume and number of moles, the pressure of a gas is increases or decreases by 1 by 273.15 its pressure at 0 degree C. For every rise or fall of 1 degree C in temperature. Like Gay-Lussac observations, amount observed, that is at constant volume and number of moles of gas, the pressure of a gas is increases or decreases by 1 by 273.15 its pressure at 0 degrees C for every rise or fall of 1 degree C in temperature. What happened here? 1 degree temperature increases, the pressure of a gas also increases by 1 by 273.15. The mathematical expression is Pt is equals P0 plus P0 by 273.15 P. Here P0 and Pt are pressures at 0 degree C and this is T degree C. We know that Tt is equals 273.15 Kelvin plus T. T0 is equals 273.15 Kelvin. It is equals 0 degree C, or it is at 0 degree C at T degree C. Now we can write Pt is equals P0 1 plus T by 273.15. Pt is equals P0 273.15 plus T by 273.15. Then what happens here? Pt is equals to P0 273.15 plus T is equals Tt by 273.15 is equals T0. Then general equation of for above equation, or it is also written as Pt by P0, that is equals Tt by T0. Then general equation for above equation, P2 by P1 is equals T2 by T1, or P2 by T2 is equals P1 by T1. This is amount on observations, like Gay-Lussac's observations. Now draw one graph in between pressure and temperature at various volumes. This is y-axis, pressure units bar, temperature units Kelvin. Here V1, V2, V3, V4, the increasing order of volume. We know that pressure volume relationship is V is directly proportional to 1 by P. Then here what happens? V1 greater than V2 greater than V3 greater than V4. Then here P1 less than P2 less than P3 less than P4. Here the graph plotted between P and T at constant volume is called isophore. isochore. The graph plotted between pressure and temperature at constant volume is called isochore. Next, fourth law is Avogadro's law. It is also written as Vn relationship. Vn relationship. According to Avogadro's law, at same temperature and pressures, at same temperatures and pressures, at same temperatures and pressures, equal volumes of all gases contains equal number of moles or molecules. According to Avogadro's law, at same temperature and pressures, equal volumes of all gases contains equal number of moles or molecules. Here, one mole of gas contains 6.023 into 10 power of 23 molecules. One mole of gas contains 6.023 into 10 power of 23 molecules. Here 6.023 into 10 power of 23 molecules. This number is called Avogadro's number, that is indicated by capital N base A is equal 6.023 into 10 power of 23. It is called Avogadro's number. Here, according to Avogadro's law, the definition at same temperatures and pressures, the equal volumes of gases, all the gases contains equal number of moles or molecule. Another definition is at constant pressure and temperature, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to amount of the gas. Another definition is at constant pressure and temperature, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to amount of the gas. Here volume is directly proportional to N. Here small n indicates number of moles of a gas or number of moles. Here V is directly proportional to capital N. It is indicates here number of molecules. number of molecules at constant pressure and temperature. Then here V is directly proportional to N. V is equals to K into N. V by N is equals to K. K is equals to constant. K is proportional constant and K is depends. K is depends on pressure and temperature. From equation, from above equation, V by N is equals to K, applying log on both sides. What happens here? Log V by N is equals log K, log V minus log N, that is equals log K, log V is equals log N plus log K. From equation V is directly proportional to N. If N1 and N2 are number of moles of gases, and V1 and V2 are volume of a gas, then V1 by N1 is equals to K, V2 by N2 is equals to K. Therefore V1 by N1, that is equals to V2 by N2. It is also written as V1 by V2 is equals N1 by N2. This is Avogadro's law equation. If N1 and N2 are number of moles of gas and V1, V2 are volume of a gas. Now here the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at NTP. 1 mole of gas occupied volume at NTP is equals 22.4 liters, and Avogadro's law is applicable ideal gases. Avogadro's law is applicable ideal gases at low pressure and high temperature. This Avogadro's law applicable only ideal gases at low pressure and high temperature. Now, graphical representation of Avogadro's law. Graph between V versus N. It is directly proportional to, the graph will be like this, and next graph is between log V versus log n, the graph will be like this. The graph between V by n versus V or n. What happens here? V by n is constant. V by n is constant. This is Avogadro's law. These four laws are completed.